Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock the bootloader on your Nokia 8. In order to lock the bootloader, you'll need to do a few things. So first, let's check whether the bootloader is currently unlocked. So you'll need to be connected to Wi-Fi, then go to System, About Phone, scroll all the way down, tap on build number 7 times, go back, go to Advanced, and go to Developer Options, which have just appeared. Now, if under OEM unlocking it says that the bootloader is already unlocked, then your bootloader indeed is. Now, let's go to download and go on our website on HardReset.Info and get two things. First, Nokia. Type in Nokia, go to Nokia HMD smartphone drivers, click on download here, then also get the other driver, which is going to be ADB. Type in ADB and get MiniADB and Fastboot with drivers. Click on download here. Now you'll get these two files, the Android Fastboot, the Nokia. Right click on them and click on extract all. Then go to Nokia, install the drivers. Once they are installed, go to Fastboot and install all these free files. I'm just gonna show you the file with the Android logo because the installation is a little bit different. Here you just need to click on Y, and click on Y and enter, of course, after the Y. So that's how you do it. All the other files are installed normally by just clicking on next. Now, once we have everything, let's put our phone in the download mode. So first, shut it down with the cable unplugged, but keep your cable plugged into your computer. Press and hold on the power button and tap on power off. Now your phone is off, so press and hold on volume down, and while doing so plug in the cable and keep holding until it says download mode here in the top left corner. Now let's go to our CMD, so just in the search type in CMD. Now let's type in ADB to see if it works. Yes, it works, as you can see, because it's it didn't give an error. If it gave an error that ADB doesn't exist, then you'd know it. And now all we need to do is type in ADB OEM lock. Click on enter. Okay, I think it should work. Okay, yeah, never mind. First, let's type in Fastboot devices to make sure our phone communicates with the computer. Yes, it does, because it has given us the serial number. Now type in Fastboot OEM lock. Click on enter, and now on your phone this screen will appear. Use the volume down button to go to do not lock the bootloader. To lock the bootloader, right? And now click on the power button to approve. And wait a little moment, it's gonna maybe reset your phone, I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's gonna reset your phone. And after that, your phone will be all ready to go. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.